Good morning, first graders. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. First, you need to make sure your paper looks like mine with the date on the top, number corner on the first blue line. Then you're going to write the number 1. Next to the number 1, you are writing a prediction about what you will see on today's card. You're going to guess the number you will see, as well as the picture that you will see. After that, I want you to write an equation to match the picture. So when we look at our calendar for this month, we've already talked about some of our observations of these first couple or 6 days. So today, you are guessing what number will be on this card, the picture you think you will see, and an equation to match the picture. So here we have 4 green apples, and I could have said, I have 4 green apples, and I didn't get any more. How many do I have now? Here we could say, I have 3 green apples and 1 red apple. Altogether, I have 4 green apples. And my equation could be 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I also want you to write a story to match the picture and equation. Okay, so on number 3, I could have said I have 2 red apples and 2 green apples. Altogether, I have 4 apples. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Here on day 4, I could have said I have 5 leaves in my hand and 0 leaves in the basket. Altogether, I have 5 leaves. Here I could have said I have 4 leaves on the ground and 1 leaf in my basket. Or, I wonder, for this one I could have said I have 5 leaves and I put 1 in my basket. How many do I have left in my hand? Then I would have 4. I had 5 leaves. I still have 3 in my hand. I put some in the bucket. How many do I have in my hand? So now we're going to look at today's 7. What number do you think you will see? What picture do you think you will see? Try to write a story to match the picture and an equation. Press pause if you need more time for this activity. All right, friends, so now number 2, we've been in school for 18 days. So friends, when I look at 18, what we're going to do is we are going to do the same thing we do every day. We're going to represent the number 18. I can represent the number 18 with a double 10 frame, an addition equation, a subtraction equation, tally marks, and coins. So try to show the number 18 in those 5 different ways. Again, I can show 18 in a double 10 frame, an addition equation, a subtraction equation, tally marks, and coins. Alrighty, friends, that is all we are doing for Number Corner today. Have a great day and continue to do your best. You got this.